Okay.
Hey.
Okay,
Hey.
let's see.
We're protecting the house.
It's going on YouTube, so you guys, come on, hands together. On
What was that? I did not have any consent about this whatsoever.
Yep, I'm going. You don't need consent. I'm your dad. You don't,
I'm 19
sorry.
years old.
Oh yeah, I guess I do need consent from Kieran. Do I have your consent?
I don't know,
on
man. Gotta blur out my face.
I can do that. Okay. In this video, I'm making Uhtred's sword from The Last Kingdom. This is the third item I've made from that show. The first video was Uhtred's dagger, and the second one was a shield. Check out those videos if you haven't seen them. Enjoy. The Last Kingdom aired on Netflix from 2015 to 2022. The main character, Uhtred, was born a Saxon but raised a Dane. His sword is featured prominently throughout the series. Using the treasure he inherited from his adopted Dane father after his death, he employs a blacksmith to forge a sword and set a large amber medallion into the pommel. He received the medallion from his birth father before his death. The sword is a symbolic representation of his split heritage and loyalties. plastic wrap was my wife Amanda's idea after some failed attempts at directly pouring the resin into the molds. I thought I could just sand away the mold, but power sanding PLA plastic causes it to heat up and melt. It just doesn't work. Plus, I would have had to hand sand the resin with ever higher grits to get it to a clear state. The plastic wrap just worked really, really well. Thanks, Amanda. I traced the amber medallions where I wanted the pommel and cut the handle to a size that was about right for my hand. Next, I glued 2 half-round pieces of oak to the handle so it would accept leather wrap. I spray painted the blade, added the leather wrap, and glued on the faux amber medallion. I 3D printed another piece to cover the edges of the amber halves and make it look like one continuous piece. The paint on the blade didn't turn out quite right because I should have used some wood grain filler first. One side is better than the other for sure. I ended up painting resin on the blade to smooth it out and repainted it several times with acrylic paint and various dry brush techniques. Still not totally happy with the result, but I needed to move on with my life, so I called it done. These are some other wooden swords that I made, which you'll probably see in a later video. Thanks for watching. Please consider subscribing if you enjoyed this video.
Lovely.
Yes.
Okay.
Maybe I'm knighting you. Is that more nice? Why? Remember watching The Knight's Tale?
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah, not like that. So it's in your holster, dude. For Christ's sake.
Face.
Oh, that's beautiful. Okay. Oh my god.
Did you like a stylist? Show off your hilt. Show off your weapon.